In the year of 2020, he came to Glomac. His diagnosis, male pattern hair loss level 7. A mega section was done with a smart FU technique. Let's see his transformation today after 3 years, 2023. Male pattern hair loss level 7 means he's completely bald, right from the front, middle and the crown. There's no any hair here. Today is a successful hair transplant of 3 years. He has a very nice hairline to frame his face, the sideburn, the beard. This is the hairline. We can see the graph placed in a right angle, right direction.
I'm quite impressed with the outcome of this procedure. I came here with some kind of baldness, probably throughout my scalp, and now I'm quite happy with the outcome, with the result. My family, my friends are impressed as well, and most importantly, I can still comb my hair after a couple of years. So thank you very much to Glomac, and also for all the effort put into my treatment by Professor Dr. Jas for his effort, and also his team, dedicated team. Thank you very much. Thank you, Glomac.